Okay, same flags. I'm on the other side. I'm back in the European Union, although not Schengen, so I can stay here for 3 months and still go to Greece if they ever open. But I made it through. Macedonia were very lovely. They didn't seem to mind or didn't seem to notice that I'd been here on 2 passports and overstayed. Bulgaria let me in with my PCR test. I did tear up a little bit when I left Macedonia, I must confess. Look at the state of this. I think it's about 900 meters downhill. I probably need to put some more clothes on for the descent. I might treat myself to a hotel if I can find an ATM. Yay, Bulgaria! Oh, Macedonia, I miss you. I love you, Macedonia. Yasaka Macedonia. So a little first day in the country teething problems. I was looking for a cheap place to stay. I thought she was quoting me in lev because that is the currency of Bulgaria, but for some reason she was quoting me in euros. So I've ended up with this palace, this 2-bedroom apartment all to myself. I've got the climate on full blast, had my tent all strewn around there drying from my snowy camping yesterday. I had an additional heater on in my bedroom, heating to the max, and then last night, check this out, I had a spa bath. Oh my gosh. So it's a quarter of my week's money, but it's absolutely worth every single lev. So first day in a country, teething problems. I was looking for some cheap digs to reward myself after a snowy cold camp. And I thought she was quoting me in lev because that's the currency of Bulgaria, but for some reason she was quoting me in euros. And so here I am in a 15 euro palace with 2 bedrooms. I've got the climate on full blast. Had my tent all strewn around here last night. I'm not going to check out to the absolute last minute. I'm going to enjoy it for every single minute I can. And then last night, just on top of everything else, I had a spa bath. So it's a quarter of my week's money, but it's been worth every lev. It's my first full day in Bulgaria, and the breaking news is that Bulgaria is going into a brand new lockdown on Monday. So I've just been into the local government office to get an idea of what's going on. From what I understand, it's due to last about 10 to 14 days, could be extended, and that I'm still allowed to travel around by bicycle, that hostels will remain open, but just in case the situation worsens, this is a general shout out, looking for some longer term accommodation options in return for free labour. So if you are able to offer something like that, or if you know anybody in Bulgaria that can, please do let me know. Meanwhile, I'm going to go and see the famous Rila monastery hopefully in the next couple of days before that closes on Monday, and then I'm just going to have to enjoy things from the outside. But so far so nice. This is an old Roman baths. I'm going to explore what I can while I can. This road is straight as an arrow and leads directly to those Roman baths, so I'm willing to bet this is an old Roman road. These are the first Bulgarian coins I've seen. Just having a bit of lunch by the spring, and a car has pulled over. I assumed she was coming to get water, but she handed me this, which may be milk or yogurt, and blew me a kiss, and then turned around and drove off again. Well, thank you, Bulgaria. That's mysteriously friendly. Thank you so much. This is my first Bulgarian campsite. I'm on the river that I've been following down the valley all afternoon. On the map, this is something called Sveti Spa's monastery, although in practice it's just a little chapel. There's a little toilet block as well, and it comes complete with my first Bulgarian friend. Don't touch my bike. So I'm pretty stoked. Nice riverside camp. This will do very nicely.